Hey everyone, so today I'll be doing a review on this Vibe 45 quart cooler. I just got it in the mail today. Handle seem nice and sturdy. Pressure release valve, really nice feature for driving up into the mountains. Drainage, felt kind of cheap when I first tried it out, but should hold. We'll see how it turns out when I actually test it. Measuring tape. I ordered it. It did not come with it for free. It cost about 15 bucks. Option for a divider here, if you'd like to purchase that as well. Handles seem good. Removable if you'd like. And yeah, so I'll be doing two tests actually. One, pre-cooling everything beforehand, such as my soda cans, whatever, cold cuts, all that stuff. And I'll be doing a test without pre-cooling any of it. So I'll just take it straight from the store, put ice in it, and see how long both of those last. The temperature we got currently going is around 85 degrees during the day, around 70 at night. So pretty good temperatures to test it out, and we'll see how it does for both of these tests. Alright, so this is day one of my Vibe cooler. These are the cans that were not pre-cooled, so just around 70 degrees when I put them in. Put around 16 of the cans in with 20 pounds of ice. So that's what we look like. It's about 85 degrees out. I expect it to be around 70 tonight. So yeah, we'll see how it looks tomorrow. It was again around 85 to 90 degrees. Last night was a little colder than expected. Around 60. So that's how much ice we got. Quite a bit of water already. It's been about 24 hours. We'll see what happens. Alright everyone, day two, 48 hours later. Had another 85 degree day. Last night was around 60 once again. Looking decent. A lot of water, but as you noticed, I did leave quite a bit of air on the top layer. I only put in 20 pounds of ice, and that will make a big difference if there's that gap of air. So yeah, we'll see how it looks tomorrow, but not too shabby. A good amount of ice left. So, yep. Hey everyone, got day three here. Again, 85 degrees, 60 at night last night. Getting pretty watery. A little bit of ice left here and there. But yeah, see how it looks tomorrow. So here's day 3.5. I opened the cooler just a little bit ago, and it is all water. Still nice and cold though. So there's your total, about 3.5 days by just getting 20 pounds of ice, getting your drinks from the store, and getting on the road. Now I'm going to do a more ideal situation where I'm going to fill the cooler up all the way with ice. I'm going to pre-chill the cooler, pre-chill the drinks, and we'll see how long that holds. Hey everyone, so this is the ideal situation test for the Vibe 45 cooler. It's been pre-cooled, all the drinks have been pre-cooled, and I've filled the cooler up to the brim with ice. So this should be as good as it gets for this cooler. We're sitting right around 85, 87 degrees today. Should be around 70 tonight. So once again, I'll check in with you guys the next few days and show you how it goes. So here we are, day one of the Vibe cooler test. Looking pretty good. Check in with you guys tomorrow. So forgot to record yesterday. This is day three. I've been pretty similar temperature wise. Again around 80, dropped to the 50s in the night, so kind of cooler, but yeah, that's what we're looking at. good amount of water, good amount of ice. Hopefully it will last 2 more days. So we'll see. Here we go, day 4. Oh, pretty watery. I suspect it'll last 2 more days probably. I guess we'll find out. Here we are, day 5. Oh man, not much ice left. Looks like this might be our last day. We'll check tomorrow morning. Hey everyone, so we're at day 5.5 of this Vibe Ideal Cooler test. We are out of ice, but we are still around 39.5 degrees, so just as cold as your fridge. So everything's remaining pretty frosty right now. So yeah, it lasted 5.5 days, the ice retention, and these were under ideal conditions. I pre-cooled everything. I pre-cooled the cooler and filled the cooler up all the way with ice, so 30 pounds. The temperatures were all still around 85 degrees, just like the last test, so those were pretty comparable. And once again, the last test was only 3.5 days, but that was with buying everything at store temperature, so around 70 degrees, and just 20 pounds of ice. So as far as it goes, I think I'm pretty happy with this $170 cooler. But yeah, it's up to you guys to decide if you want to buy one. So once again, Vibe 45 cooler, 3.5 days for 20 pounds of ice, store-bought, not pre-cooled, and 5.5 days for everything pre-cooled, cooler pre-cooled, and 30 pounds of ice. So thank you all for watching, and hope to see you again soon.